God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within her, call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running.
Hey guys, welcome back or to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank you for those who are always returning. So it is February 1st and I'm gonna say happy birthmas. Okay, so if you don't know what birthmas is, basically is a replacement for Vlogmas. Yes, this is something that I created, so if you want to do it, give credit where it's due. Thank you. My birthday is this month. It's February 27th, so I'm gonna vlog every single day or do a video every single day up until my birthday. So I put a poll up on my Instagram and I was thinking about doing Birthmas, like I said, as replacement of Vlogmas, but I did not know what platform I wanted to put it on. And I did a poll and YouTube won the poll, but then there was people that were saying you should still do all three. So YouTube won, but I'm gonna try to spread it out on other platforms. But if you want to see it in 3D, make sure you're subscribed, okay? So we bringing the content back and we doing it for real, okay? No excuses. I'm super excited about this month to come. I'm super excited to just really be back on YouTube. If you've watched me and you've been a subscriber for a while now, you know I've done this before. I didn't call it Birthmas, but I did this back in 2020 or 2021. I think it was 2021. And I literally did a video every single day on YouTube, and honestly that was the best that my channel has ever did. Like, that did numbers for my channel. I had so much support, and honestly I was surprised. I didn't think that people were going to really tune into it, but I hope that you guys are tuned into this now, especially with me being back on YouTube. It's definitely different, but times has changed. But we're gonna see what this does. I'm gonna stay consistent and we're gonna get into it. So as y'all seen, I had some breakfast, cooked breakfast, washed the dishes and everything. So this is basically gonna be like a reset with me kind of video. So I ate breakfast. As y'all could see already, your girl got her waist trainer on. And honestly, I'm just ready to get back into it. Like, not even just working out only, but just naturally practicing healthy eating habits. Just overall, I am getting older. I'm gonna be 27 this month, so I am getting older. And honestly, I'm looking at lifestyle and health different than the way I used to. Basically, like before, I wanted to just lose weight because, you know, it was gonna make me feel better. I didn't like what I seen in the mirror, which was nothing wrong with that. And if that's what you want to do, definitely go for it. But now I'm more so, yes, I want to lose weight, but I also just want to naturally just be healthy, you know, practicing healthier eating habits, you know, self-control, discipline. Like where I'm at with it now is really not for myself anymore. Like it is physically, internally and externally, but it's more so I'm doing this to build my discipline and my self-control in the Lord. So I have a bigger purpose now, and it's so annoying because I'm like always restarting my fitness journey over and over and over and over. But it's okay. Like I'd rather continue to do it until I get to where I need to be. So yeah, it's definitely hard. I have not found a balance yet because I do work full time and I work 2 jobs, and that's why I haven't really been posting on social media. But I'm a full-time, I work full-time, so trying to find that balance to work out when I work from Monday to Friday. All I have is Saturday and Sunday, and then that Saturday and Sunday, all I want to do is rest. So I haven't signed up for the gym yet. I'm trying to figure out what gym I even want to go to that's near me. I don't want to go to Retro. So
I didn't know where you was at.
come say hi to the vlog, baby. Baby in the cup. So yeah, I don't want to go to Retro Fitness, and trying to find that balance. I don't want to just work out 1 time a week. I feel like that's not enough. And then on top of that, I just been losing weight naturally because I'm always on a go. You know, my job, I'm moving around, and then I'm traveling back and forth. I do bring food with me, but it's a lot. And then on top of that, I just got over being sick for basically almost 2 months. Like my voice is still a little raspy. I'm still spitting up here and there trying to get the rest of it out. But I'm trying to just really get back on board and really reset and get myself all the way back together. Like I just feel like everything is just came like just happening. I just feel like everything happened so fast. Like from moving in the end of December, then working, traveling back and forth, not having the time to really even do any self-care, anything that, you know, I would like to do for myself because I'm so focused on like my house and getting that stuff together, not having any real time to put into myself, which I definitely need to make that a priority. So with this month, you guys are going to see a lot. You guys are definitely going to see a lot. And I do plan to do like self-care videos, vlogs, you know, reset with me videos like this one, decor, all of that other stuff. And I hope that you guys do enjoy, for real. And also, don't be afraid to comment down below what videos you guys want to see from me, please, because I could definitely use the ideas. I'm just going to start out slow, so I'm going to do what I can as far as working out in my house. But I really want to make a priority right now is stretching, because I don't stretch and I need to make that a habit. I only did it when I was working out, but I just want to make it a part of my daily things. Okay, so it is the next day, as you guys can see. I'm in Dollar General because I want to do the full face of Dollar makeup. So y'all gonna see that in the next video. I don't know what video it's gonna be, but it'll be in this month's video. But I feel like I'm cheating because it's Dollar General, it's not Dollar Tree. What do you think, babe? I feel like if I pick out like stuff that kind of looks cheap, you think I could get away with it? I already knew you was about to cheat. I can't with you. So I picked this up. This is pretty colors.
Yeah, that's a nice palette.
It is.
What's that, eyeshadow or?
This is eyeshadow.
Okay.
I think it's cute.
Yeah, look at me knowing, guys.
I'm nervous because this looks too dark.
Foundation.
This is a little too dark. And then I feel like this is too light.
That's way too light.
Y'all okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just asking because he got a chair.
Oh no, he had it. I'm sorry. Yeah, everybody asking him about the chair. He brought it with him. Thank you.
Okay.
That's so funny. You in this chair. I'm like, they have Maybelline, but I have Maybelline, so I'm trying not to cheat in that aspect. I'm trying to stay away from Maybelline. I can't pick up the LA colors, but I can pick up some lipstick. I kind of like this one. It's like nude. What you think?
Yeah.
Okay.
I gotta see it on you. It's lipstick. Lipstick look mad dry.
This is concealer. I don't know.
Green concealer.
Okay, that's color corrector. It's kind of like a full face of LA colors together as well. Now that I'm saying, looking at it, like I could do the brows. I don't know. I feel like it's gonna give full face of LA color. This stuff is alright. They don't have the foundation I want, but look, we got some eyeliner. You know, I love my good eyeliner. Do I want to do this brown thing? Dark brown. I like dark brown. Okay, so got some stuff from, what is it? Dollar General, right? Dollar General and Family Dollar. So it's a little haul. Got some razors. These are my favorite kind of razors. They work. They're amazing. I picked up this LA Colors brow pomade, and it comes with the little spoolie brush. I always get the color dark brown because, as y'all can see, I like my brows dark. Then I have this LA Colors little eyeshadow palette, and this is actually really cute. The colors are really nice. It's not too dull, and I feel like it's versatile. It's still like an everyday kind of makeup, but I really like these shades over here. So I have the LA, what is this? LA Colors eyeliner. So as you can see, most of the stuff is LA Colors, specifically because I didn't want to like cheat with the whole dollar makeup thing. So I tried to make it like very super affordable stuff that I tried to pick up. And I also got this LA Colors lipstick, which I think this color is really nice with the perfect lip liner. It'll hit. I got the concealer as well. Then I just picked up some other stuff. Oh, this is the foundation. I actually found it in Family Dollar instead of Dollar General. Hopefully this matches. I feel like it's gonna be too light, but I don't know. We'll figure it out. Then I picked up some oil, which I really like the Equate oil from Walmart. If you know, you know, but you probably do know because that's why I was always going. And then I got this little body spray. And if you know me, you know I like warm scents. Anything that's like warm scented, I really like, no matter what season it is. So that's just me. But that is all for this video. I'm going to close this out. So the next video you guys are going to see is the full face of dollar store makeup. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I will see you guys in my next video.